Hey guys, Mr. Lloyd here, going to work with you on page 3 of 3. This is 1-10, I'm sorry, 1-11, remembering page for March 30th. I'm going to hold up the problems right here, 4 through 7. I'm just going to hold them up. Remember, this is big time review way back in September, October time when we did this. So these are just some ratio tables, and I'm just going to hold it up, not do these on the whiteboard so you can take a look at 4 through 7 right there. Pause if you need to, but I'm going to pull it away. On the board, I've got problems 1 through 3, so let's go through these quickly. Oh, let me adjust the camera here. There we go. Okay, problem 1, factor puzzle. We look at the first column, 24 and 56. We know that those are multiples of 8. 8 times 3 equals 24, and 8 times 7 equals 56. So there you have it. Then 3 times what equals 15 must be 5. Okay, now to find out missing number, I multiply 5 by 7, and I get 35. Okay. Let's see, 63 and 72, both multiples of the number 9. 9 times 6 equals 63, and 9 times 7 equals 63, and 9 times 8 equals 72. Now 8 times 7 is what we need to know to find out what our factor was. So 8 times 7 equals 56. Now 7 times 7 will equal 49. Okay. Last one here, 63 and 54, multiples of 9 again. 9 times 6 equals 54. 9 times 7 equals 63, so 7 times 8 equals 56. So 6 times 8 then would give us 48. Remember, these are review, supposed to be quick and snappy. I'm going to pause and get the next couple problems set up for you. All right, so problem number 8 here is one of these problems in which we just want to write down what we're given and then work our way through it. So we're given that Maria reads a book that's 50 pages long, Abigail reads a book that's 3 times longer, so Abigail's book, we represent this with variables 3m, 3 times n, which of course we know is 150 because m equals 50. So Abigail's book has 150 pages. The question that's asked is, what is the difference? How many more pages does Abigail have than Maria? Of course, we can pretty quickly do the subtraction in our heads, but what we're really thinking about here is how to write the equation. So we're going to just write difference equals a minus m. That's our equation using those variables. We can now plug in values. So a equals 150 and m equals 50. And now, of course, the difference, straightforward enough, is 100 pages. Okay, I'm going to pause to do the last problem on this page, problem number 9. All right, so problem number 9 is talking about trail mix, and it's asking us to find the total weight, and it gives us some weights, gives us sort of a puzzle of information, and we have to piece it all together to figure it out. So we know that it just tells us straight away that almonds have 5 ounces, make up 5 ounces of this mix. And this is, just real quick, this is that strategy again where we're writing everything down we know in a nice list, in a nice ordered way on our paper, so that we can make sense of it more easily. So 5 ounces for almonds. It says cashews is triple the amount, so that tells us to multiply by 3. So 3 times 5 then would equal 15 ounces. Okay, and then peanuts are 10 ounces more than almonds, so 10 plus A is how we write that, and then of course that's 10 plus 5, or 15 ounces. And then finally it's asking us to write the total weight. So let me write this down as an equation first. Total weight equals 5 plus, now I'm just going to write it as 5 times 3 here, and then plus 10 plus 5. Now this is just to write our algebraic equation. We're just going to use order of operations, so 5 plus 15 plus 10 plus 5. Let's add left to right. 5 plus 15 is 20, plus 10 plus 5, 30, plus 5, 35 is our total. Okay, so 35 ounces is all she wrote. That's how we figure that problem out. Remember, list it all, work your way through it step by step, slow it down, think it through. All right, that is all the time we have for today, Monday, March 30th. Please have yourself a nice Monday. I posted these really late, so you'll probably be seeing this video a couple days later. That's fine. hang in there, and I'll see you later.